Hello students, welcome in 10th Maths party class. Today we are going to study geometrical construction. Last year in ninth you have studied geometrical construction. In that you have seen that to construct a line parallel to given line and passing through a given point outside the line, to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, to construct a triangle whose sides are given, and to divide a given line segment into given number of equal parts, to divide a segment in a given ratio, and to construct an angle congruent to given angle. Today we are going to study that construction of similar triangle. To construct a similar triangle, we have to see that the sides must be in a given proportion and their angles must be congruent. With these properties, we are going to construct a triangle that is similar triangle. In this example, you are given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this, AB's length is 5.4 centimeter, BC's length is 4.2 centimeter, and AC's length is 6 centimeter, and the ratio is AB is to PQ is 3 is to 2. With this, we have to construct these two similar triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here, the equations are formed by taking these sides are in proportion and their ratio is 3 is to 2. In this, these equations are formed and that here we are taken this. If we want to take any this pair, then we are making a cross multiplication and we get the sides like this. PQ is equal to 3.6 and QR is equal to 2.8 and PR is equal to 4 centimeter. Like this, we have to construct the uh, triangle first, that is ABC, and then that is triangle PQR. How we have to construct that we will see with this uh, activity. Then you have to do that. First of all, you have to take the base of the triangle, that is ABC's base is uh, AB, uh, and that is the measure is 5.4 centimeter. That is a line is drawn, and then the BC's distance we are taken in the compass and we are making the arc and we are drawn the arc, and then AC's distance is 6 centimeter and that is we are taken in the compass and we are intersected the arc. This intersected point we are joining with this C to B, and here see we are drawing the line of triangle. One is that is BC and another is AC. Again we are going to construct a second triangle, that is base is 3.6. We are writing here their measure. We must write this measure, otherwise we will get cut marks. So the second triangle we are constructing, that base is a QP. That measure is a 3.6. So we are drawn here 3.6 base, and then we are taking the QR's length, that is a 2.8. We are taking that in a compass, and then we are drawing a arc of from this cube point. This is a arc of having distance, that is a 2.8, and then we are taking the Pierce distance, that is 4 centimeter. That is we are here taken and bisected the arc. Then we are joining these sides, that is QR, that is 2.8, and this is a PR, that is 4 centimeter. Like this you have to construct the triangle, and then you, you compare this the figure They look so similar, but their measures are different. These two triangles we have constructed, and those triangles we can see here, like this figure, that is here. That is, first triangle is ABC, and then second triangle is PQR. We have constructed two triangles here. You also construct these triangles, and if you get any doubt, you ask to me. Thank you.